So video editing which we are going to learn, that is through Movavi video editor software. So the screen which you are watching right now on the computer, that is the screen of Movavi video editor. This is not open source software. This is a paid software, but anyhow we managed to get the crack of it. Crack means ki we can install this software and there will not be any watermark after exporting the video, because we also provide all of you crack. So before starting this video, a small guidance I will be giving. Ki the link of video software I have put in the pillar. In the pillar group of DPS, this is a link of Google Drive which is shared. In that drive, I have given the
I
link.
will share it with everybody in facilitator. Sir has already sent it to
Okay,
me.
and this software you can download and can install. After installing, you will be getting one file in that software. You just please check how that will be looking like. Say this is my software. So this is the software which you're going to download, and after extracting the software, it will be in the zip folder. So you have to unzip it. You have to extract. After extracting, software will be like this. And this is the setup of the software you have to install. After installation, this is the application file. This file you have to use very safely. Once software is installed, then you just copy this file and just check in the program files with the folder name Movavi. Movavi Video Editor Suite 17 or 14. This is software of 14, not 17. So just open this folder and paste here the same file, application.dll file, which is there. That is a correct file. You just copy and paste after installation. So it means after pasting that file, it will not be asking for the serial key, or you can export without watermark. So complete software will work. So this is one thing. Second, when you're installing this software properly on the computer, and if you are using laptop, so in laptop by default we have web camera and microphone. So this feature, video recording, record your video feature, you can see on the screen, it will be enabled. So if you are teaching something which is related to the screen, if you want to show something which you are performing on the computer, just like something typing or something animation or some PowerPoint presentation, if you want to record that also with the audio, so you can use this option. This option will be recording your complete, your face also, your screen also, and also whatever you're going to speak with the microphone, that also be recorded. Okay, so that you can record easily. Next, to recording part through the screen recorder. This screen recorder will not be working properly because this is only available in the paid version. So we have a lot of different softwares on the Google, which is free software, open source software for screen recorder. And those are very light software, not heavy software. So you can download screen recorder. You just search on the Google screen recorder and you can download it. You can use it for recording your complete screen. After recording all the videos, so now I am thinking ki all the videos you have recorded anyhow through mobile phone or through camera or through screen recorder or video recorder, so your videos are ready, and now how to furnish that video. So let us understand that part. So for example, for demo purpose, I have taken a small video over here. This is one video which is recorded by one child, and this video is recorded through phone only, and we can see how she has recorded properly with proper background, with proper gesture and posture, everything properly she has managed, and then only through phone she is recording. So quality is also good through phone only, and sound is also good. Because room is completely empty, I think fans are also switched off, or she has made it very slow. So voice is very clear without any extra microphone. So what we have to do, especially in this video, we have to provide some titles so that the means whosoever is going to watch the video, he can understand what is the video, what is the subject, some titles we have to provide, some basic things.
Raghuji sir, may I interrupt?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, just tell us this thing also, that how do we do the video on the phone? Like if I have to make it for maths, so if I am using, matlab, I don't have a whiteboard or anything at home, or if I want to record it through laptop or through mobile, sir, how do we do that?
Ma'am, if
We
you
don't
see,
know how to use the phone to record a session. How do we do that?
for phone, to ma'am, actually, screen recorder will work for phone also, but proper recording as you want will not be available in the phone. Through phone only we can record if somebody is holding the phone or you are keeping the phone at the back, somewhere in the front of yourself, and you are teaching in the front of phone. Just like that girl is recording, ki she is
Sir, but
putting the phone
she's
somewhere.
simply speaking.
Yeah, she is
She is
speaking.
speaking. Like I have to explain something maths. Like
Then, ma'am,
when we teach in the class, we use that Zoom ka screen sharing
yeah.
whiteboard. We use that whiteboard
Yes,
and
ma'am.
we use teach. But
Then,
now, since we don't have a blackboard at home
mhm.
and we are recording it from the laptop or from phone, so sir, how do we teach? हम कैसे खड़े होंगे? किसी और को बोलेंगे कि आप फोन पकड़ के हमारे को रिकॉर्ड करो? सर
No,
वो कैसे हो?
ma'am. If you don't want to use any whiteboard or backboard, then
सर है ही नहीं.
one thing I will be telling कि just like in the Zoom, what we can do, you start a meeting and
Hmm.
everything you do in the same way, and that link you can open in the phone or some other phone, and that recording will be going on. Means nobody else is going to attend the meeting, but your
Sir,
meeting is
I'm
going on.
so sorry to interrupt you, but you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to show us with an example. ऐसे समझ नहीं आएगा.
Just like
It means so like you want that we
uh,
open, we have the
What
Zoom
what
session.
he is trying to say is that you can have a Zoom meeting in your from your laptop,
yeah, laptop.
and the invitation to be sent to nobody and but yourself only.
Yeah,
Okay, so in your phone you can open the same Zoom link. So what happens will be only two participants are there, one you from the laptop and the other you from phone.
and from
This is
laptop,
what he is
whatever,
trying to say. Yeah.
from laptop, whatever you are teaching through the board, whiteboard, to everything will be captured. So that will be recorded properly, and later you can save it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Because that
Thank you, sir.
Can
the
you
same.
record this meeting?
Yeah,
I
ma'am,
mean to say, like, we are right now attending a Zoom meeting.
it is
If you
being
start recording, what are the steps?
it is being recorded. It is already being recorded. So for that, I need to close. Uh, that I'll be sharing the step-by-step process in the form of a PowerPoint or Word file or PDF file. Ki how to stop, because I have to stop it then if I want to show it. Otherwise, in the setting
Okay, sir,
options,
but we need a practical, otherwise होगा नहीं.
no, definitely I'll be telling you. Definitely, I will be telling you. Okay, see, in the setting option we have recording, no? So automatically we have this setting कि whenever I was sending this meeting link to everyone, then I just put it checked कि automatically recorder will be switched on. So I will be telling you how
Sir,
to
we know
record
how to
properly.
record in Zoom, but
Mhm.
here also there is an option, na, record video. How to do this?
Okay, so that I will be telling separately. Okay, ma'am,
Okay, sir.
because main concern I was telling today is editing. To that I'll be completing, then I'll be taking that one, ki how to record with the Zoom, or this is also best recorder in this software Movavi. The same thing will be there. I'm not working with the laptop. Otherwise, if webcam is on, so automatically face will come here, and anything if you want to speak, that will be recorded in the front of you only. So you are just sitting on the computer
Okay.
and recording yourself directly.
That means we will record on Zoom and edit using Movavi. That will be better. That is
Yes,
what
ma'am.
you are telling.
So now I am considering your video is recorded. and this is your video, and how to work on this video little bit. So just like we are talking right now, but when we want to make complete video of any lecture, to normal talking and conversations doesn't look good. So we have to remove those part. Only we have to focus on the lectures and whatever topic we are teaching. Only main those parts should be there in the video. The rest everything we have to remove so that the time of viewers cannot be wasted and they will be losing the interest and they will switch off the video. तो उसके लिए simply after installing this software, so software installation is very simple. On the given link, you have to click download and install it. So installation is very simple. Then after that, this window will be open. In this window, you can see this is a place, this right hand side where Movavi is written. This is the area where the video will be played. And here from this option, add media, we have to select the file, whichever we have saved. So whether that is video or audio or some PowerPoint presentations in the form of images, everything we can import. It is not compulsory only we must have MP4 format of video. No, even if single image if you want to take, you can take. For example, just like Pradeep sir was telling once, he was giving idea ki we can take the multiple photos of math chapters, and that chapter you are just displaying on the screen and explaining. So your voice is recorded and rest images are given on the screen. So that is also possible in
Sir,
this.
I would like to ask something.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it possible that I record a Zoom video? I find that my voice is not clear. So I only take the video from there, but not my audio bite, and I give my audio again separately. Is that
Yes, ma'am.
possible?
Yeah, that is also possible, 100%. And see, along with that, one thing is more there. If you don't want to record your video, direct video. Suppose, for example, I am showing one thing. Uh,
Sir, you have to be loud. Your voice is not clear.
okay, ma'am, I will try.
So how that video came over here? You just double clicked it?
Yeah, ma'am, double clicked and just imported. Ma'am, one example, Suparna, ma'am, just like is suppose I want to explain this topic to my children. So just I have opened this PDF file and I am just reading it out and just explaining to everyone what is database connection, what are the steps and how to create connections. Then I am showing everything on the screen and my screen is being recorded along with my voice. So in this way also it is possible if you have chapters, scanned copy of chapters, physics, chemistry, bio, math,
Yes, sir,
everything
we
is
have.
in PDF format and you are explaining that chapter one by one and your voice is recorded along with the chapter is recorded on the screen. So this is
Because
also
I
the
think
best
in
way.
math and physics there is no need of showing our faces.
Yes, sir,
We
not
have
required.
We will be
the
comfortable not showing faces.
exactly.
Yes, ma'am. So this is also the best way.
But sir, how? Okay, fine. You are saying we can do it, but how?
See, ma'am, I'll be telling that also. Right now, see, if I'm opening this file, so it is also recorded along with my voice. If I'm telling children, let us understand what is the interface Python with the MySQL, how to connect Python with MySQL. So for connecting Python with MySQL, we have this four simple process. First of all, we have to import the module. Second, we have to create the connection object. Third, we have to provide the create cursor object. And fourth is the execute query option. And how all this is being done, so I'll be opening my one file of programming. I will show how all these are working properly. And everything, whatever I am speaking, along with my screen, everything is being recorded. So this is also the best way to make them understand what is going on. Sometime, Ekta ma'am, just you were telling me if we are not using board, so if you have,
Prabhuji sir, just keep looking at the waiting room because some of them are facing problem in I don't know connecting or what. They are saying some errors being shown. तो एक आधी बार बीच में waiting room भी देख लीजिए अगर ये.
okay ma'am. I have disabled waiting room. So directly they are coming to the room only in the meeting.
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay.
I'll tell them. Thank you.
So this is one thing, ma'am. So I'll be telling one more thing about this. तो इसको भी हम लोग देखते हैं. तो let us start this video. So once again, just click on the add media files. So as the icons are there, image, audio, and video. These three types of files we can import from our computer, from camera. If mobile phone is connected with your computer or laptop, so from mobile phone directly, you can transfer here easily. So this is our timeline where your video will be displayed in the form of layer, you can see. And this is a scaling part. You can display the same video, entire video of 30 minutes in very small size or big size. This is for editing purpose. So it gives you complete free hands key which part or which seconds you want to remove from the video. For example, I am playing this video. This sound is ma'am, sound is audible of this video to everyone.
No, sir, we can't hear the sound.
Okay. So suppose I want this part. From this part, I want to cut. So simply this is your cursor. You place here, and we have click on the video. Video is selected, and now put your cursor somewhere from where you want to cut it. Then we have here cut option. This is one part cut. Means complete clip is divided into two parts. Now next part I want to cut from here. So I am putting this here and again cut. So now this part we have to delete. So just simply delete, right click and delete, or press delete button. It will be deleted easily. So now, so this is one part, and in the same way, we can put anywhere cursor, just select and cut your part and delete. Normal. And if you think that is done by mistake, so you just press Ctrl Z, or undo command is here. You can undo command, Ctrl Z is here, so you can revert it back. If you think that is done by mistake, no problem. So this is one thing, how to remove the unwanted part from the video. So that will be 100% possible.
Prabhuji sir, 1 minute. If I
Yes, ma'am.
cut a small part out of the video, the rest of the video without that part will flow flawlessly, or I will
Yeah.
face those
There
two
will not
parts.
be any kind of effect on rest video. It will be playing in the same way, in the same pattern. Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Next is that just like if you can see, I'm going to add one more video for just example.
Prabhuji sir, now there are two videos, so how will we know which one is the edited one?
Just I'm telling. Just I'm going to add one more video in the same clip so that it can be understood. Now one more video I have imported. So this is one video, which part, this part I want, and I want to add next part. This much. So I want this much part only. So I'm just selecting the second video, cutting and removing rest all part. So now I have this title which is already made, and this clip just drag and bring at the front. तो आपका first clip आ गया, logo of a school. Now this video is coming to, in this way we can take multiple clips from different videos and we can join them together. Second, adding titles. Suppose from before starting this first clip, you want to add subject or your name or something which you want. So first, the simplest one is that key. Open your PowerPoint. I think PowerPoint is with everyone. Simplest way of making titles. Open your PowerPoint, select some good slide which you like, and Bhashan by Pragati. Chawla. So you can add your name, subject, chapter, everything you can add here. It is up to you in how means in what manner you are going to design it, and then simply save as a JPG. To go to save as and browse the location, simply desktop and select as a JPG format, means image format. Just this one. So now the same PowerPoint slide we have saved in the form of JPG on the desktop. So you can see it is ready. So this is one simplest way for inserting titles. So now again we are here, add, browse the same file, and now that file, that image is here. So you can add here. So now it is coming as a title. Simply for at least it is by default for 4 seconds. We can reduce or we can increase also. So just double click on the clip. After double clicking, we can use this fade in, fade out options. This fade in option is for just see it. When the video is being started, it is just immediately starting. And when it is being changed, immediately new video is coming. So if you want to give little bit fade option, then click on the clip, double click on the clip, and then 1 second or 2 second fade in, fade out. Then the difference will be like this. Your video will be starting with black to white, and then in this way you can make it. Next, sometime what happens ki your video you have recorded, it is horizontally recorded. For example, suppose this video. In this video, now this is coming here perfect, but when you are going to see the thumbnail of that video, that was coming horizontally. So if this kind of problem is there, so that also we can change. For example, double click on the video or clip, then go to the crop and rotate, and this you can see like this. If you want to rotate 90%, minus 45%, it is up to you. Okay, how much you want to rotate it. If it is 90% rotated, you can re-rotate left side or right side. If something is done wrong, to Control Z is there for undo. And to all these options are given for making complete professional video of different activities. But for teaching method, simply add your titles. If you don't like this title by adding through the PowerPoint, then we have one more option. Click on this T icon, that is for title, and click on the all option. So we have different types of animated title here. You can see animated titles are there. Suppose if you want to use any title for your subject, so just right click on the title. You just choose current position, opening credits or closing credits. Opening credits means the clip which is selected at the beginning of that selected clip. And closing means the clip which is selected at the end of that clip. And current means wherever this pointer is, this cursor, wherever this cursor is available. So for example, I want this clip, and at the beginning of this clip, this title. So right click, opening credits. So automatically it will be inserted here. So now you can see in the panel, video panel, after double clicking on this, you can edit here. Just write the name. We can stretch it just like image for increasing the size. like this we can give. And if you want to add your name also, so you can also add your name, no problem. And if you want to change the color, then options are available here. So everything this you can practice, no problem. And if you want to check it how it is going to be started, then in this way we can check it out. Now next, one more thing, if you want to add a school logo throughout the video, so how that is done. Suppose this is my video, so in complete video I want to add the school logo at some position at the top or bottom somewhere. So that is also a simple process. Simply we have to import that image. So for example, on my desktop I have saved school logo. Suppose this is my logo. So this is here. Now this logo is coming here. Okay. What we can do, we have one more layer upside. So you can bring your logo at the top layer of your video clip and from the beginning, और आप इसको stretch कर दीजिए throughout the video. So you can see your this logo will be coming throughout the video. But if you want to position it properly, then again the same process, double click on the video, that logo, and you just resize it, change the location. You also want to type something, so you can type with the help of title. You have to take some titles और आप उसको try करके यहाँ पे DPS सोनीपत हम लिख सकते हैं. Delhi Public School Sonipat. Please write full name Delhi Public School, and Sonipat will always come downside, not together.
Can you please show how to write DPS Sonipat with
I'll
the
show
logo?
you. So let us see how to write. So take title, and if you want to write something which is constantly there, so we don't need any animated title, we need simple, which only should be fixed over there. Once it is there, so it is fixed, so we have to check that from the title templates. This is fixed one. So right click, here. Now it will automatically add it to the new layer, and you just video and type it here.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir. How did this new layer come?
Automatically then, when we are going to insert title at the current position, automatically new layer will be inserted.
Okay, sir. Okay.
School is finishing.
So we are left with less than 8 minutes
yes,
now.
just 1 minute. Means I will take only 2 minutes.
Ma'am, you can extend the meeting if possible because it is emergency and invite people to do it.
No problem. I will take one follow-up meeting tomorrow also. Double click on this afterwards इसको left कर दीजिए. So throughout the video, your logo along with the title will be coming on the video. And at the last, you want the last edit. So in the same way, either you make some PowerPoint slide for that purpose. Otherwise, you can use the credits. So one I made, so that is, we make a slide like this, just like this one. So this one I have designed on PowerPoint slide only with the name, school logo, and all the connecting media. You can use this one, or you can make your own one. And title. Suppose I want to launch this. So right click, closing credits automatically will come at the end of video, and you just double click.
Louder, sir. You are not audible.
Okay, ma'am. Just I was telling you, whatever title you want for the closing video, you just right click and add at the end. Choose closing credits. Automatically will come here at the end of video. Again, same process. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to give the link or some information of the next video. If it is lecture wise video, so lecture 1 is already done. So you can try it. You kindly check lecture 2 video. Something like this you can give at the end credit. And after all this, last option is go to export video, and the size of video 36 MB right now here. That should be good only, not high or highest, because its size will be increased automatically. So it will be good size, and the project ratio will be this one. So this is perfect for desktop, for mobile phone, for uploading on the YouTube. This size is perfect. Then select the folder where you want to save it, and give the project name, lecture name, and start exporting. So this is done. So we are saving on the desktop with the name of new project.
Prabhuji sir, for 4 minutes, I have.
Over to you.
आपने
Over to
मुझे
Pooja
मैसेज
ma'am.
दिया था ना
Over
that
to
ma'am
Pooja
wants
ma'am.
it. Please enable my screen sharing fast, please.
Okay.
Okay, everybody. One thing, you are able to hear me, but there is another ID with my name only. You have to pin that to your screens. Only then you will be able to see what I'm trying to show.
Ma'am, you
Because-
can show now. You just share your screen.
That is what I'm saying when I start
How to
sharing.
pin?
Na?
Ma'am, how to pin?
When you go on somebody's name, you can
Yes,
see
ma'am.
3 dots at the top right
ma'am.
corner.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
When you click on those 3 dots, it's not going. Okay. You have to just click on that. It'll say if you want to pin, or
I'm
you simply.
showing chat
This
or
is
hide
Zoom.
non-video parties.
This is Zoom. There is no option of pinning here.
Ma'am, I have.
Then you double click on that particular link. That means if it's not there.
Pooja ma'am, once you double click on your setting option.
मैम वो तो मिनिमाइज हो रहा है डबल क्लिक से.
It shows chat option.
मैम
Are
आप
you
share
able to
करो
see-
डायरेक्ट आ जाएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you
we
able
can.
to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
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 we can.
yes,
Fine.
yes, you can.
Fine. Okay. Now everybody, this is a form. It's a sample form basically. This is to be sent to all the students. Sorry. Oh, I'm clicking on the wrong one. Sorry.
See, we cannot read what is there on the screen, so you just speak what you want to. Because the screen, the font is too small for us to read.
I am just showing you what I'm trying to, because this is something that you all can.
I think feedback from ma'am.
Yes, sir. Remember?
Yes.
Now, is this clear, everybody? This is
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji, dikh raha hai?
Yes,
Everyone.
yes.
This is the feedback form which needs to be sent to the children, taking a feedback regarding the online teaching that was done in past 2 months. That how was their experience? Were they satisfied, or do they think that classroom teaching is better, or what can be done to make
This is
these
to be
online
sent by
classes
the
interesting?
subject teachers.
This is to be sent by all the class teachers.
No, then
All
it
the
goes
class
for.
teacher. It is, yes, and
Then
one
it is
thing,
not
it
subject-wise
is
thing.
it is a generalized thing, and right now this is made by Ashish sir, so it's basically on geography's lessons, fine. But the teachers can make changes according to themselves. For middle, there can be certain other things. From primary, there can be certain other things. You can send it to the parents, you can send it to the children, whatever you want. It's up to you. The coordinators can decide. I will forward the link to you all. Chavi ma'am, you're there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Yeah, so we can send this to them.
Yes, ma'am.
It's no more geography related now. It's a generalized
Ma'am,
thing.
in the description, I have mentioned it geography. I'll make it a generalized one and I'll share the updated one with the teachers. There's also
Fine.
one app with which they can make